guys. It's December 29th, 2009 at 5:29 a.m. in the morning. I'm drinking Red Bull. I am in full-fledged mad scientist / evil genius mode, and I wanted to give you guys an idea of why it takes so long for software and web development and just anything code related to get done. Okay, and I know like for example, I'm waiting for the Starcraft II beta. You know, I'm probably not as fanatical about it as some of you guys, which is fine. In fact, I've gotten a bit better at Starcraft. But I want to give you guys a very small preview of what I've been working on and some of the issues I got to deal with. Now, I have had 2 days in the past half year where I didn't do any code. Okay, so the rest of the past half year, I've been working on code every single day. 8, 12, 16 hours a day working on code. 6 o'clock in the morning drinking Red Bull. Okay? So, I have here, I'm going to show you guys a quick view of the page here. And so there. Now, there's a couple dozen issues I've been working towards squashing bugs since December 21st, and this is just when I started writing the list down since December 21st. Here's my production environment, just to give you a quick idea. Here's Windows Explorer with my where I access my file system for my website. Here's Firefox with, I don't know, I'd say 3 dozen tabs. Here's Super Eddy, my text editor, and it's got about half a dozen files open. Task Manager, Music folder. Here's Narrow. Here's my FTP, because this is WAMP. This is in a Windows operating system on XP. And then after I'd done testing my stuff out on a WAMP server, I upload and test it on my LAMP, which is live. Advanced Find and Replace, because let's say, okay, I know I got to change something. What file does it appear in? A couple Notepad windows are open here. Like for example, okay, I got to test a MySQL query out. Here's Opera 10.5. I've been testing around with transitions. This is the first build of Opera 10.5. I could just do 3 videos on Opera 10.5. This is VirtualBox. It's running a copy of XP with Internet Explorer 6, because even though it's the absolute worst possible browser you people could be using, you're using it. Should be slapped with a trout just for that. This is Tail. Tail is a real-time log viewer. I use it to view Apache Access logs and MySQL query logs, so I can, for example, going through the PHP and recreating the query, I could just go in here and copy and paste it into the browser. It's a lot faster. I can also see what's going on. Here's Safari, more testing. Here's another Windows Explorer window. Here's Firefox 3.7 Alpha 1. This is WinMerge. This is where I take 2 chunks of text and it highlights the differences. Here's another Notepad window. Here's another Opera window. I was actually testing DOM and method list. There's a new feature on my site that'll actually show you all the DOM and methods available in your browser. Here's Internet Explorer 8 or Explorer. Here's just their console, because Firebug annoys me and doesn't tell me what's giving what with. And then, of course, these are the 2 quick cam windows for the webcam here. So this is Firefox 3.6 beta 5, I think. And yeah. So, and just a quick rundown. Alright, remove text from text area in form after successfully making a post. Alright, so let's say I'm going to show you guys a quick feature here. Nice big text area instead of like this little tiny thing. I just got some placeholder text here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a quick preview. Boom. Didn't reload the page. Didn't do anything crazy. Alright. I'm going to scroll back down. I'm going to publish it. Boom. Didn't do any redirect. This is purely Ajax. This is all DOM. No inner HTML. No document write. It is the absolute highest, most wonderful standards you could possibly imagine. Delete post. Boom. Removed from here instantly. Alright. A lot of these options. Okay. Bookmark isn't implemented yet. Delete thread, that works. Edit post. If I edit this post, it's edit in place. So let's say, I'm going to say, hi, YouTubers. I'm going to save the changes, and it saves it right there, and boom. Hi, YouTubers. Alright? That's all Ajax. That's without having to reload the page, delete it, save it, boom. Okay? No more redirecting you every 5 seconds, whatnot. Okay? Report, post, subscribe, reply, move thread, lock thread, edit post, delete thing. And you have to deal with the forums and here's the thing. I've been working on this for about a year and a half. Blog, forums, chat room, content management system, private messaging, the benchmark, the site editor, the chat room, all from scratch, all at the highest standards, no errors, no warnings. YAAA compliant, XHTML, so there's application XHTML plus XML, and you guys are just seeing like the tip of the iceberg here. And this is what I'm going to be using next year, 2010, okay, or this year, depending on when you watch the video. There is so much involved in building something like this. You know, not just a website, but also like if you're waiting for Starcraft II, like I am, the beta, just the beta, much less the actual program. Now, here's the thing. We can whine and complain. Why is it not out yet? Why is Diablo 3 taking 5, 6, 7, 8 years? Why is Starcraft II sitting out here? Why has it gotten pushed back into 2010 instead of letting me play the beta right now? Okay, well, here's the deal. Alright, you could get early software, and it could be full of bugs. It could not start up. It could crash after starting up. You could get raked by the computer because it hasn't been balanced, or you could, you know, kill the computer and not feel like you had any kind of challenge. There's balancing, there's bugs, there's more bugs, there's a bug because you fixed a bug, and then that had another bug, and you're like, well, wait a second, this bug because of a bug because of a bug because of a bug, if I do this, it'll make more sense to the user, and it'll feel more natural. Alright, there are so many things that you have to do and refine in order to make it not suck. Alright, because it doesn't matter how awesome something is, initial impressions and whatnot, if it doesn't do what the user expects as far as interacting with it, and of course there are twists like, the plot thickens, plot twist or whatnot, that's different. But as far as the functionality is concerned, if the user can't function it, if there's issues, if it's not working, okay, it's not done, it's not ready. So, trust me when I'm saying, I'm working 8, 12, 16 hours, drinking Red Bull at 5 o'clock in the morning to get this done. You know, it's happening. When your favorite software developer, say Blizzard or whoever else, is working, busting their butts to get the stuff done, they really are putting their heart and soul into it, just like I'm putting my heart and soul into my work. Alright? Because when it's done, and it's finally there, might not have everything, because there's always newer versions, but it's going to be so much better than what we currently have. Anyway, so for me, my site, the videos and everything, I'm going to be doing a lot more videos. There's going to be tutorials, going to be a lot of content being added to this after its release, and we're going to be doing some crazy stuff. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a lot of crazy stuff. but there has to be a basis. Next year is going to be huge. We're going to do a lot of videos, going to do a lot of stuff. This year is all about creating that platform. So anyway, my time's running out here on the video, so just wanted to let you guys know I'm not dead. I've been working very hard on this stuff, and hey, next year we could be doing some awesome stuff, and not just website stuff, not just video game stuff. We're going to be doing a lot. So let's say maybe end of January would be a safe bet, because I could do the closed beta and then open beta. You guys get the open beta. Alright, time for me to get going here. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys soon.